When deciding what to recommend to each user, the YouTube algorithm takes into consideration the following. What videos have they enjoyed in the past? If you have watched a 30-minute tutorial video on affiliate marketing or given a like or comment, it is probably safe to say you found it interesting. Expect more affiliate marketing content coming your way. What videos are typically watched together? If you watch how to start a blog, and most people who watch that also watch how to monetize your blog, YouTube might recommend that as follow-up viewing. That is why my YouTube homepage looks like this. Of course, YouTube wants to recommend relevant and quality videos to each of its precious users. It is not exactly a positive experience to follow a suggestion to watch the 10 best affiliate marketing networks and find it boring, low quality, or weirdly racist. So how does YouTube evaluate if a video is worthy of recommendation? First, it is not about content. The actual content of your video is not evaluated by the YouTube algorithm at all. Videos about how great YouTube is aren't more likely to go viral than a video about how to set up a 3-point lighting. Our algorithm doesn't pay attention to videos, it pays attention to viewers. So rather than trying to make videos that will make an algorithm happy, focus on making videos that will make your viewers happy, says YouTube. Instead, YouTube looks at the following metrics for its recommendation algorithm. Do people actually watch it? When a video is recommended, do people actually watch it, ignore it, or click it? Not interested. How long do people watch it? The YouTube algorithm looks at both the view duration and the average percentage viewed to inform the ranking. Did viewers like it? Likes and dislikes are evaluated, as are engagement rates and post-watch survey results. What is your regional context? The time of the day and the language you speak also influence the YouTube algorithm. How YouTube determines the algorithm. More than 500 hours of content are uploaded to YouTube every single minute. The search system will be in absolute chaos without YouTube's algorithm trying to help you find the most relevant content. That's right, the goal isn't to bring you the most popular or the most recent videos on your search term. It is to bring you the video that you specifically find the most useful. That is why two different users searching for the same term may see a totally different list of results. YouTube's search algorithm prioritizes the following elements. Relevance. The YouTube algorithm tries to match factors like title, tags, content, and description to your search query. Engagement. Signals include watch time and watch percentage, as well as likes, comments, and shares. Quality. To evaluate quality, the algorithm looks at signals to determine the channel's authority and trustworthiness on a given topic. User search and watch history. What have you enjoyed or viewed in the past? This will impact which search result the YouTube algorithm will assume will be helpful. That being said, these factors are combined in slightly different ways depending on where on YouTube you are receiving recommendations. YouTube recommends videos in 3 different places on the platform. The first is homepage. This is what you see when you open up the YouTube app or visit the YouTube website. It is personalized to each viewer. The recommendation engine selects videos for the home screen based on performance of the video, watch and search history of the user. Next, suggested videos. These are the videos recommended alongside the video you are already watching. The list of videos that appear under up next. The algorithm suggests videos here based on the topic of the current video. The viewer's watch history. The third is search. The keyword obviously plays a role here, but each user's search results will be slightly different thanks to the personalized signals the algorithm take into account. These signals include the relevance of the title, description, and video content to the search term, performance and engagement of video. What is the YouTube Shorts algorithm? YouTube Shorts are short vertical videos created using a smartphone and uploaded directly to YouTube from the YouTube app like stories. Millions of YouTube viewers are watching shorts daily, so don't sleep on this format. YouTube's VP of Product Management describes shorts as a short-form video experience for creators and artists who wants to shoot short, catchy videos using nothing but their mobile phones, and goes on to say shorts is a new way to express yourself in 60 seconds or less. But how do you get your shorts discovered? YouTube users can find and watch shorts on the YouTube homepage or via the Shorts tab on the website or app. Shorts are subject to the same recommendation signal as long YouTube videos. Here's what the YouTube Shorts algorithm take into account. Relevant. Do the title, tags, content, and description match the search term? Engagement. Do other people like and comment on this video? User watch history. What have you enjoyed or viewed in the past? Similar content. What other shorts do similar audiences like to watch? Watch time. Less important than for long form videos. But if someone can't even see through a 15-second video, that is probably not a good sign. The rise of vertical videos haven't changed the main algorithm per se, but YouTube Shorts are creating a big new opportunity for creators.